I'm using this amazing product from MyGlamm. It's called SCRUBILICIOUS. It's this amazing sugar scrub which is blended in with a lip tint. So while you scrub your lips, you're also giving a beautiful soft pink tint to your lips, which is quite stunning. So I always start by using it like a normal lipstick. So apply a nice layer all over. I very gently remove all the product from the skin. I love the MyGlamm lipstick. It's got a duo. It's got this beautiful color fusion, it's called. It's got a lovely creamy lipstick on one side and a beautiful gloss on the other. So I'm going to start by creating the lip shape. Just dabbing on this lip color. What the beauty of this lipstick is that it's almost got this very sticky, amazing quality that instantly hydrates your lips. So you can see that adds a very soft, beautiful, peachy effect. I'm going to go in with a lovely nude, absolutely nude colored lip gloss. This is going to allow the lips to look a little bit more plump, a little bit more bigger. And you're ready to party tonight.